Here's how to use the text-to-pay feature on the Innowi point-of-sale system. First, tap Pay to start the transaction. Tap here to use text-to-pay. Enter the customer's phone number and tap here to close the number pad. Tap here to send the payment link. The link has been sent to the customer. Tap OK to return to the main menu. Once the order is paid, the POS system will automatically update the order status from sent to kitchen to charged. The customer will receive this text message with a link. First, they will need to enter a name. Optionally, an email can be added. The order summary will be displayed below. Under that is the tip section. Customers can choose between these preset options. A custom amount can be added by typing in the box here. The final pricing is shown here. Customers can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or manually type in their credit card information. This guide covered how to use text to pay on the Innowi point-of-sale system. Thanks for watching.